Welcome to Pydle Day 117. Pydle is a daily puzzle you solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a flower, so have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you like to get some hints how to solve Pydles, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. So stick around and you'll hopefully get some more insight how Pydle works. Yesterday's Pydle was a floppy disk. Now, for those of you who don't know what that is, there's a picture of a floppy disk. This is a 5.25 inch, so older, was around the 80s it was used. Okay, so this is about the simplest Pydle as you can get. I wanted to kind of use a floppy disk image or a graphic. So we're just going to keep those two loops. Now we just need to exclude the black pixels. So we say if x not equals 2 or y greater than 1. Okay, so we're saying if x not equals 2, so that would exclude the whole center vertical. But now we're saying or x greater than 1, so that then includes the white and 2 orange pixels. Okay, so let's first start, build up our picture slowly. Okay, so that's the whole thing orange. And now we just need to exclude the white pixel, or we need to color that white. So we say white if, and that just happens to be where x and y both equal true. Oh, it's 2. So 0, 1, 2 for y, 0, 1, 2 for x. So now we can just use chained comparison. So if y equals x equals 2, else orange. Okay, so and that solves the Pydle. So let me know in the comments if you think that looked like a floppy disk, or if you remember using floppy disks. And then have a go at solving today's Pydle, which is a little bit more complicated, the flower. Okay, and I will see you again tomorrow.